Greetings YouTube. Alain Ali back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, right here in the Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. In today's video YouTube, we're preparing to harvest our 2-year-old Del Monte pineapple from our 2-year-old pineapple plant out here at Pineapple Place. This video has been a long time coming, YouTube. It's been a long time in the making. Today is actually the day before Thanksgiving 2020. I'm going to show you what this pineapple looks like right now, YouTube. I'm going to come back tomorrow morning, come out here and do a Thanksgiving Day harvest on our 2-year-old Dole pineapple. Take a look at this, YouTube. All right, YouTube, here we are indeed approaching our 2-year-old Del Monte pineapple plant here at Pineapple Place, YouTube. And again, this video has been a long time coming. It's been a long time in the making, YouTube. We've been waiting 2 years for this moment, YouTube. Today is actually the day before Thanksgiving 2020. I'm going to raise this camera right now and show you guys what this pineapple looks like. And we're going to come back out here tomorrow morning and harvest, do a Thanksgiving Day harvest on this now 2-year-old Del Monte pineapple, YouTube. Take a look at this. Bam! Can you guys see that, YouTube? Again, it's been 2 years, YouTube, in the making of this Del Monte pineapple, YouTube. We've been waiting quite a while to harvest this pineapple out here, YouTube. This pineapple plant was originally propagated in about a 1-gallon container. At about 3 months old, we up-potted it into a 2-gallon container, and at about 6 months old, we planted it out here at this location, at our front yard garden extended grow area. We're currently growing these beauties that have added a nice splash of color to our front yard garden extended grow area all year long, YouTube. We planted these 2 small flowers about this big here, one on each side of this planter, back in the spring of this year, YouTube. They've continually grown out and continually produced these luscious white flowers with red centers, YouTube. But this is where we originally planted our now 2-year-old Del Monte pineapple once it reached the age of 2 years old. Last winter, mid-winter, and our pineapple was in a more dormant state. We dug it up from here, prepared this area over here at Pineapple Place, planted it here, YouTube. It has indeed grown huge. Roughly about 6 months ago, it produced a pineapple flower. That flower began to develop slowly for us here, YouTube. You know it takes anywhere from about 3 to 6 months for a pineapple plant to actually fully develop a pineapple. Not only that, YouTube, not only that, on our 2-year-old Del Monte pineapple plant here, YouTube, we also have this, bam, sucker growing out in there, YouTube. And what we're gonna do after we harvest this pineapple tomorrow, YouTube, is we're gonna whack most of this old foliage off, YouTube, including that stem, that pineapple stem there. We're gonna whack that off. We're gonna leave basically shortened versions of all of these leaves here, YouTube, and that sucker there to grow on that now 2-year-old root system. It has a healthy 2-year-old root system. That sucker will grow extremely fast, and we may even see a pineapple on that sucker here around mid to late summer next year. May not, we just may, YouTube. At any rate, YouTube, the day before Thanksgiving 2020, we're out here taking a quick look at our now 2-year-old Del Monte pineapple plant, YouTube. That's a nice size pineapple on it, as you guys can see. Take you guys in for a close-up, YouTube. A lot of you people who are watching this video are gonna say it's not quite ready. Leave it on there longer. You can leave it on there until it turns completely yellow and all of that. But the thing that you guys don't know about my yard is I have hundreds of squirrels here, YouTube. I have a lot of wildlife here in my yard, from squirrels to rabbits to raccoons to opossums. This pineapple is already beginning to smell. We've already seen sugar ants up on this pineapple, feeding on the sugar secretion that the pineapple begins to secrete once it actually ripens, YouTube. So if we actually left this pineapple out here on this plant any more than 1 more day, we would come out here and either the whole pineapple would be gone, like there would be a huge hole gnawed in the side of it or something like that, YouTube. And again, we've been waiting 2 years for this pineapple to ripen, and we're not gonna let that happen. On another note, YouTube, once you harvest a pineapple, it is as sweet as it's gonna get. It doesn't matter if you sit it on your counter or in a sunny window or something and let it turn completely yellow or orange or anything like that. The moment you harvest a pineapple, it is as juicy as it's gonna get, and it is as tangy as it's gonna get, and it is as sweet as it's gonna get, YouTube. Our pineapple has also a huge crown up here on the top, YouTube. When we come back out here tomorrow morning to harvest this pineapple, we're actually gonna again whack that foliage down to allow our now 2-year-old root system to put all of its energy into this sucker growing down here. I'm gonna actually also, YouTube, plant this pineapple top. Stay tuned, YouTube.
Greetings, YouTube, and happy Thanksgiving from right here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel. As promised in yesterday's first part of this video, YouTube, we're back out here at Pineapple Place, preparing to harvest our now 2-year-old Del Monte pineapple, YouTube. I'm gonna flip this camera around for you guys, get the tripod set up. I'm gonna go ahead and take that pineapple off of the plant, YouTube. Hang tight.
All right, YouTube, we're back, and as you guys can see, our now 2-year-old Del Monte pineapple is a golden color and ready to come off of our plant out here, YouTube. It's a very simple procedure when it comes to harvesting pineapples. Simply grab the pineapple around the sides, YouTube, and snap it over to the side. You'll see as I do this, YouTube, it's a very simple procedure, and this pineapple will separate from this plant very easily when I do this. And again, as I told you guys in the first part of this video, the reason we're out here today actually harvesting this pineapple is we can smell this pineapple. And we know that if we can smell this pineapple, other things, rodents, etc., that also like pineapple can smell this pineapple also, YouTube. And if we don't go ahead and take this pineapple off of this plant, we'll come out here the next day or so and we'll see a huge hole gnawed in the side of this pineapple, or the whole thing gone, something like that, YouTube. And we've been waiting again 2 years for this to happen, YouTube, and we're not going to allow that to happen. At any rate, YouTube, once we harvest this pineapple, we will indeed separate the top from this pineapple. I'll show you guys how simple it is to do that, YouTube. I'm going to go ahead and repot this pineapple top right now, YouTube. So hang tight. Yes, indeed, YouTube. Yes, indeed. Our long-awaited Del Monte pineapple. And we can't be more excited about harvesting this thing out here today, YouTube. And if you smell this thing, if I could have smell-o-vision, I would let you guys smell this thing. It has a very, very, very fruity smell to it, YouTube. And at this point, I want to go ahead and show you guys how we go about separating the top from a pineapple without using a knife or something to cut the fruit and all that stuff, YouTube. You simply grab the pineapple top itself here around the base of the top. You grab the pineapple itself, and you're going to twist the top and the pineapple in opposite directions, YouTube, just like this. Can you guys see how simple that was and how easy that was, YouTube? We now have our Del Monte pineapple and our Del Monte pineapple top separated, YouTube. And again, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how easy it is to go ahead and plant this pineapple top. It's a very simple procedure. As you see, we didn't damage our pineapple. We could sit this thing on our counter and let it sit for several days if we wanted to. We're not going to do that. We're also going to go ahead and cut this pineapple open and show you guys what it looks like on the inside after we pot this pineapple top, YouTube. Prepare your pineapple top for immediately replant it, YouTube. You simply do this right here, YouTube. You're gonna take and remove the bottom 2 to 3 inches of leaves from this pineapple top. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. Very, very, very simple procedure, especially on freshly harvested pineapples, YouTube. It's a very simple procedure. Again, we're simply gonna remove those bottom 2 to 3 inches of leaves from this top, YouTube. Again, on a freshly harvested pineapple, they detach very, very easily, YouTube. That's about the bottom inch removed. So I'm going to go ahead and remove some more of these leaves from the bottom. I'm going to bring this pineapple top up close to the camera here, YouTube. Once I'm done removing these leaves, you and show you guys that indeed our pineapple top already, YouTube, if I can get this camera to focus in. Let's try that again. We have some issues with our camera wanting to focus out here, YouTube. Get my hand in front of that. See if we can get that thing in focus. Try that. There we go, YouTube. As you guys can see, if I spin this pineapple top around, YouTube, all of those little brown things you see poking out from where those leaves used to be, YouTube, are actually pineapple roots. All of those little things right there are actually the roots of this pineapple top. It's already rooted. All we simply need to do is take this pineapple top and stick it down in a pot of soil, water it in, and sit it in a semi-shaded location somewhere here inside of our greenhouse, YouTube. And we're going to show you guys how we go about doing that right now. But again, YouTube, again, our long-awaited harvest of our Del Monte pineapple on Thanksgiving Day 2020. Thank you guys for watching this portion of this video. I'm going to bring you guys back in about 2 minutes and show you guys how we go about potting the top from our freshly harvested pineapple in a pot of already prepared soil we have in our backyard back there, YouTube. Hang tight. All right, YouTube, we're back. We have our freshly harvested organic Del Monte pineapple from today's harvest. We have a 1 gallon container of our potting mix. You guys know we have our own mixture of potting mix, YouTube, that we use when we pot up our plants and germinate our seeds. At any rate, YouTube, this is indeed, again, the newly harvested top from this particular pineapple here. We harvested out there at pineapple place out there, YouTube. What we're simply going to do, YouTube, is we have this soil in this pot tamped down fairly well, not compacted or anything like that. So we're going to take our pineapple top, YouTube, center it in the center of this pot, YouTube, and simply press it down into the soil, YouTube. That's all we're going to do. It's a very, very, very simple procedure, YouTube. You guys see that? Got the pineapple top potted in the soil. And tamp the soil down just slightly, YouTube. Not going to compact it at all. Tamp it down slightly. And as you can see, the soil level in this pot is below the lowest leaves on our pineapple top, YouTube, and that's important. You don't want soil over in those leaves and cause rot, and also cause the center, which is located down at about that level there, to rot in the side of our pineapple. We definitely don't want that, YouTube. At any rate, now we're just going to come back and water this pineapple top in pretty well. We're not going to drown it or anything like that. Just water it in real well all the way around. You guys see that? And at this point, YouTube, all we're simply going to do is take our newly potted Del Monte pineapple plant, take it out there inside of our high total greenhouse out there, YouTube, and stick it in a area where, probably under one of our grow tables, where it won't receive any direct sunlight. We'll bring you guys back in about a week and a half to 2 weeks, YouTube. What we're going to do is actually remove this pineapple top from this pot long enough to show you guys the newly developing root system on it. At any rate, YouTube, thanks for watching this video. And if indeed you currently are watching this video on harvesting our 2-year-old Del Monte pineapple and immediately planting the top of that pineapple in a 1-gallon container, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah. Harvesting our Del Monte pineapple and immediately replanting its top right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Happy Thanksgiving, and thanks for watching, YouTube. Yeah. And this I vow to you, my queen. On this day before witnesses, I vow to you, queen, to forever show you what love, to be the guardian of your heart, to be the mate to your soul, hand in hand, together as we, to be your shoulder to lean on, your always listening ear, and to express to you just how much I love you, to be that instant confirmation so that you never have a doubt, and to be both willing to open up my heart and allow my emotions to pour out, to be there next to you when you wake up, and to be there at night when you fall asleep, with no other woman in this world would your king rather be. To always be your inspiration, to honor you daily.